Welcome all of you to this very short video. Uh, I'm going to explain you how to add the reinforcing bars in ETABS software. So you can go to define section properties and there is an option reinforcing bar sizes. Here you have option add common bar set. Suppose by default it is US customary or any other option you can select as per your country. In India, you can select ESI and you can click on OK. So the commonly used bars will be added in this list, but there are some bars which we use frequently on the sites. So you can keep those only. For that, you can select and you can delete that particular. For example, 8, 10, 12 are commonly used. You can remove 14, 18. Likewise, you can remove the bars and those are used on field. You can set those bars and those will be used in your design and detailing. So this is how you can change the reinforcing bar sizes. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.